Now, nomenclature of carboxylic compound containing benzene ring. So here it is said to be benzoic acid. It is said to be 2-phenyl benzoic acid. Here it is benz 1,2-dicarboxylic acid, that is also known as common name phthalic acid. Now the preparation of carboxylic acid from alcohol. Alcohol, that is primary alcohol, is treated in presence of alkaline KMnO4 followed by hydrolysis to form carboxylic acid. Similarly, a linear chain of longest chain of alcohol, that is primary alcohol, in presence of CrO3 in H2SO4, that is chromic oxide, as well as sulfuric acid to form carboxylic acid. Means in presence of CrO3, alcohol undergoes oxidation to form as a product carboxylic acid. Now from alkyl benzene, how alkyl benzene is converted into benzoic acid. See, when alkyl benzene is treated with KMnO4 in presence of base, potassium permanganate in presence of base, on heating to form sodium salt of benzoic acid, which on acid hydrolysis to form benzoic acid. Similarly, if a longest chain linear chain of carbon containing benzene undergoes strong oxidizing agent KMnO4 and KOH to form benzoic acid as a product. Means if a long chain is there or only one carbon, so it always undergoes oxidation to form carboxylic, and here a carbon which is attached to the benzene ring directly undergoes oxidation, right? Now from acid derivative, how acid derivative is converted into carboxylic. Acid derivative is treated with dilute HCl or dilute NaOH to form carboxylic. Derivative RCOZ, where Z is said to be NH2, maybe halogen, maybe carboxylic RCOO minus, etc., or ester acetic anhydride. Similarly, acyl halide is more easily changes into carboxylic. Now from nitrile or amide also converted into simply you can say carboxylic acid by the reaction with simple oxidation. This nitrile is on acid hydrolysis to form amide, which amide again on hydrolysis to form carboxylic acid. Similarly, hydrolysis will give product carboxylic acid. Similarly, ammonium acetate on hydrolysis to form acetic acid, ammonia is to be released out. Same way, if we take benzene, ammonium salt of benzenamide. This benzenamide is react with acid hydrolysis to form benzoic acid, that is benzene directly attached to the carboxylic acid. Now then Grignard reagent also used to prepare carboxylic acid, that is RMGX. Grignard reagent react with carbon dioxide to form reaction followed by addition reaction and followed by hydrolysis to form carboxylic. Similarly, if we have carboxylic acid, geminal dicarboxylic acid, RCHCOH. Geminal means same carbon containing two OH group. So it undergoes on heating, what happen, it undergoes decarboxylation. यहाँ से ये CO2 रिमूव हो जाएगा. जब रिमूव होगा there is a formation of RCHHCOOH, that is carboxylic acid. Or from alkyne is also converted into carboxylic. It is simply on ozonolysis dilute H2SO4 or acid hydrolysis to form carboxylic acid. Ethyne is on ozonolysis will give product as a carboxylic. Now see chemical property of carboxylic acid. Now preparation, then property. Property of carboxylic, first property we will discuss here, acidity. Acidity means which gives H plus ion. Now see here, carboxylic acid is treated with sodium, treated with zinc, treated with NaOH, treated with bicarbonate, treated with sodium carbonate. With sodium, it forms H plus because of sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Zinc, sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium salt of carboxylic with base, because it is a base, so this is acid. Bicarbonate, effervescence of CO2. Sodium carbonate, again effervescence of CO2. So this is the reaction which show the carboxylic acid is acidic in nature. A very important, carboxylic acid is a acidic nature because in their aqueous solution it gives carboxylate ion, and that carboxylate ion are stabilized by the resonance. So resonance shifting of pi bond, here by shifting of pi bond to form carboxylate ion, which on stabilized by here structure, this is the hybrid form of carboxylate ion, and therefore it is acidic in nature because it gives H plus ion. And also we know that more the resonating structure, more will be the acidic nature and more will be the stability. So here this carboxylate ion is acidic nature because of its resonating structure, and also resonating structure is increases the stability and also acidic nature. And also acidic nature depends on the minus I effect, inductive effect. If minus inductive effect, then it is a acidic nature, right? If benzene is attached to the electronegative element, means its acidic nature increases, as sequence given here to increase the acidic nature. Now here acidic strength we are discussing. If suppose that to the carboxylic group, if electronegative element are attached, then its acidic nature increases, right? So here see, the carboxylic group attached to the 3 chlorine, then 2 chlorine, then 1 chlorine, then there is no chlorine. So a compound which contains 3 chlorine is more acidic than the respective other. So in this way, electronegative, more the number of electronegative element, more is the acidic nature. If different electronegative element like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine present, so here on the size here given, fluorine is smaller size, it is a more minus I effect, so that as size increases, minus I effect decreases, so its acidic nature also decreases. So fluorine so more acidic than the chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. So here if halogen are same, then they are classified, they are stabilized by the more the number of halogen, more will be the acidic nature. If different halogen, they are arranged in increasing order by their size, smaller size greater attraction, so that is more acidic nature, right? If the same halogen present to the carboxylic compound, if carbon adjacent to the carboxylic group, and then it is a beta carbon containing halogen group, so a halogen attached to the alpha carbon is more acidic than the beta halogen, because the beta halogen is less minus I effect than the alpha halogen minus I effect. Now acidic nature is also discussed in benzoic. Here benzoic, it is substituted by nitro group. So you have 3 product: orthonitrobenzoic, p-nitrobenzoic, and m-nitrobenzoic. So O-nitro, p-nitro, m-nitrobenzoic acid are here. So here more acidic strength is of ortho, then meta, then para, because ortho, the position 1 2, it is a more crowded, 1 4 less crowd, 1 3 less crowd, 1 4 very less crowd. So here 1 2 is a more crowd, so it is a more acidic than the meta and para. Similarly, if it is a alkyl group is substituted to the benzene, then their acidic nature are arranged in this way: benzoic acid, para-toluene benzoic acid, m-toluene benzoic acid, and benzoic acid ortho. So what happened here, this ortho para meta substitution of benzoic or of alkyl to the benzoic acid. In benzoic acid, methyl group is substituted to ortho, meta, para. So here the more acidic, that is ortho, then meta, then para, and this is the benzoic acid. So here this is the strength given to the benzoic acid and their acidic nature. It is shown by the example.